Hi there, welcome to our Ultimate HTML tutorial for beginners series. This is an introductory video to our Ultimate HTML tutorial for beginners series. In this video, we shall be discussing the structure of this course. Why HTML tutorial for beginners series? Why should you take this course? What are the goals of this course? What are the course requirements? What is HTML itself since we are introducing you to HTML? The goal of this course is to move you from being a web dev enthusiast to being a web developer. We are doing this with a structural approach to make it easy for you to understand. HTML is the language, and we are teaching it like a language as it is, starting with the ABCD of HTML. This course is the first step to becoming a front-end web developer. You basically need HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for you to become a front-end web dev. But what is the difference between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? You need to put in some work. There are some things that you need to do for you to succeed in your quest to become a web developer. You need to pay attention to everything we teach here. Go through videos with enthusiasm and you will be shocked when you start developing a website yourself. You need a laptop. Your phone can help, but a laptop will make you more efficient. You can use your phone to watch these videos, but it's best to use a laptop to practice. You also need IDEs. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a software where you code. There are a lot of them. We got Visual Studio, Dreamweaver, Notepad++, Atom, etc. We got links to download them in the description below. But if you do not want to download any of these, Notepad will do. These IDEs come with features that Notepad does not have, like coloring, autocomplete, etc. We have structured this course into a playlist. Go to the playlist section of this channel and you find the Ultimate HTML tutorial for beginners series. It will take you through from this video, which is the first video, to the last video. We need you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified on our upcoming videos. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext is a text or image which you use to navigate pages via hyperlink. Hyperlink is the link that the user clicks, or I would rather say the link to the page that you want to visit. Markup is a process or result of correcting text in preparation for printing. HTML uses markup tags to define the structure and presentation of content on a web page. So basically, coding with HTML is like when you're given a plain canvas or a blank piece of paper to draw. With HTML, you're just designing. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. How do you structure HTML? What do you need to do first when you want to create a web page? These are the things we shall discuss in our next video on this series. See you there.